Welcome to Alliance Door Engineering Training videos. In this video we will be installing our Series 11 Direct Drive Industrial Roller Shutter. To begin, measure the opening, to ensure it corresponds with the drawings provided. Mark the flag section to correspond with the back of angles measurements indicated on the drawings. Place the flag section in place and ensure it is plumb and level with the spirit level. Mark the remainder of the fixing slots at the top of the fixing point. Then drill the remainder of the holes. Now measure the back of angles and mark up for the second flag section to be installed. Attach the flag with one fixing. This clip highlights exactly how the fixings should be attached. Now measure the back of angles at the bottom and top to ensure they are positioned correctly as detailed in the drawing. Once happy, mark up and drill the remainder of the fixing holes. Offer up the barrel assembly and fix into position using the bolts provided. This clip highlights the bolts to be attached and how to partially tighten the grub screw with an Allen key. Repeat this on the other end plate. You must ensure the barrel is positioned in the center of the end plate. Measure the halfway point and position the barrel to this mark. Once happy with the positioning, ensure all fixings are appropriately tightened. You must now ensure the barrel is positioned equally in between the end plates. You can use a mallet to tap into position. Use a spirit levels to check the barrel is level. Once you are happy with the positioning, you can now fully tighten the grub screws at either end. Ensure the shaft key is in place prior to attaching the motor. Place the motor onto the shaft. Attach the motor fixing bracket. All fixings are provided for this. The plate attaches to the end plate and a further 2 fixings to the motor. This clip highlights the attachment to the motor. Ensure all fixings are tightened. Finally, ensure the motor plate is level. Now connect the motor and control panel to the mains power. Full details are attached in the motor user manual. Pull the red toggle to activate the manual hand chain override. Rotate the barrel so the curtain fixings are facing forward to enable you to attach the hangers. Offer up the top section of lath and bolt into position. This clip shows how the fixings are used to attach the barrel. Complete this across all of the hangers to ensure it is attached correctly. Ensure the curtain is fitted centrally on the barrel with even gap between the curtain and fixing angle at both sides. Open up the end lock as seen in the clip to allow the next section of lath to be attached. Continue this until all sections of lath are attached. Ensure an even gap between curtain and fixing angle. The shutter may need opening further to allow the last section to be attached. Open the shutter further to enable the guides to be attached. Feed the guide onto the curtain and place into position. Do the same for the left-hand guide. You may need to open the shutter further to access the top fixing holes. Attach the guide to the angle by feeding the bolt from the inside of the guide to the outside of the angle. The fixing method is highlighted in this clip. Complete this along the length of the guide to ensure it is attached correctly to the angle. Now it's time to attach the photo cell. Fix the photo cell and bracket to the angle and bolt into position. Now attach the fixings to ensure the right-hand guide is attached to the angle as previously described. Ensure the photo cell power cable is appropriately fixed to the wall. Now attach the photo cell reflector to the other angle. Ensure all fixings are appropriately tightened. We also need to attach the chain keep to the flag angle to secure the manual override chain. Pull the green tab to allow the control panel to operate the shutter rather than the manual override. Connect the motor cable to the control panel. Full details are in the user manual. The panel is supplied in dead man open and close mode. For this setup we are changing to impulse open impulse closed. To do this set at 0.1 on channel 3. This has now been selected. To exit the settings select 0.0. To test this, press and release the up button. The shutter should rise without you holding the up button down. Now we are setting the top and bottom limits. Set at 1.1 to adjust the top limit and press the up button. Press the stop button to confirm the limit once the shutter has stopped. Set at 1.2 to set the bottom limit, then press the down arrow. Again press the stop button to confirm the limit has been reached once the shutter reaches the bottom. Now we are pairing the safety edge with the panel. Choose a channel between 0.1 and 4.0 and select by pressing the stop button. We chose 2.6. To pair, press the white button inside the wireless transmitter. Change the channel to 0.0, it will flash twice, then confirm pressing the down button. The red LED will flash twice to confirm connection. You can test the safety edge by breaking the beam. This should, if correctly installed, stop the shutter from closing. Fix the bumper block into position to protect the sensors from damage. This clip highlights how the photo cell operates when it senses an obstruction. Green, it senses an obstruction and stops the closing operation. Finally, ensure the shutter closes correctly and attach the CE badge. Thank you for watching.